Hello friends, how are you? Hope you all are safe and healthy at your homes. My name is Swaraj Deshpande and I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel Swaraj Maths Junction. In the previous video, I have taken question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3 of exercise 8.1. In this video, I will be taking question number 4, question number 5 and question number 6 respectively. So let's start with question number 4. Okay, question number 4 says a football team has won 10 matches and their win percentage is given, which is 40%. You have to find out total number of matches which they played. Okay, first of all you have to understand the meaning of win percentage. Win percentage means, now you see, win percentage like in the cricket also. Okay, basically in the domestic leagues or even international cricket, there is win percentage concept which says that our team has won how many matches out of their total matches played. That means, see, we know since win percentage equal to number of matches won upon number of matches, total number of matches, played, and then into 100 here, which is the win percentage. Percentage means this much. So by this we can say this implies win percentage is 40%. 40 is equal to number of matches won is 10. Okay, now you can write here that let total number of matches played be x. Suppose we are assuming x into 100. Okay, now it's a simple linear equation. You know how to solve. Okay, I can write 40 is equal to 1000 upon x. Now we can do cross multiplication. 40 into x is equal to 1000 into 1 means same, you know. Now 40x is equal to 1000. This implies x is equal to 1000 by 40 transpose, because here multiply sign, here goes to RHS, so divide sign. Now I can write 0 cancel, 1 1 is 4, 4 2 7, 4 5 is 20, 25 matches. Simple, very easy. Just you have to understand the meaning that win percentage is equal to number of matches won upon total number of matches played into 100. Now you can assume that let the number of matches played be x and then frame a linear equation accordingly and then solve it. Your answer is ready. So please note down, I have counted till 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Friends, now let's move on to question number 5. Question number 5 says that Chameli, a girl, Chameli, had rupees 600 when after spending 75% of her total money, which she got. 75% of total money. So you have to find out the total money which she had in the beginning. So for that you can assume let money at the beginning be x. Rupees x. Okay, rupees x. Now you know what is the first understand the meaning. Chameli had 600 after spending 75% of total money. So first you have to find out spent money. Therefore spent money is equal to spent, plus spent, 75% of total money, which is x. So I can write 75 upon 100 into x. Of means multiplication. 5 and the 5. Okay, 3 again 5. Try to solve all of these questions in simplest form so that your calculation will be easy further. Okay, that's why I'm doing so. I can directly write 75x upon 100. Okay, but just as to simplify our calculation, I am doing in such a way. Spent money. Now you know, since savings done. Now let it be. You can write directly. Therefore, this one 600 is equal to total money x minus spent. It's a simple sense that if you have suppose 100 rupees, out of which 75% is spent. Okay, that means after out of 100 rupees you have spent 75 rupees. So how much you are left with? You are left with 25 rupees. But in this case it is 600 and total money is not 100. It is x. Simple. So I can write this implies 600 is equal to LCM 4x minus 3x. This implies now 600 is equal to x upon 4. Now do cross multiplication. 600 into 4 is equal to x. This implies x is equal to 2400 rupees. Don't forget to put the currency, else your answer half marks will be deducted. Such silly things you have to remember, else half of marks will be gone even though your answer is correct. Units, currency and all that, whatever it may be. So please take care. So what you have done in this question, first you have assumed the money at the beginning be rupees x. Then we know that spent money she has given 71%. So how much money she has spent? 3x by 4. Now you know that if she had x rupees at the beginning and she has spent 3x upon 4 rupees, so she is left with 600. Accordingly frame the equation and then solve it by, it's a simple linear equation solved by taking LCM and cross multiplication. Your answer is ready. Okay, so note down and count till 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now friends, let's move on to question number 6. Question number 6 says that in a city 60% of total population likes cricket, 30% likes football, and the rest population, suppose question mark, likes other games. You have to find that question mark. Okay, so I have told you that sum of all percentages. Now see, all percentage now here means either a city, a person of a city can like either cricket or football or other games like any other sport like badminton, tennis and what and all that. So sum of all these three will be 100% total. So I can write therefore percentage of population liking other games. So other games equal to 100 bracket minus 60 minus 30 bracket close and percentage sign. Now you solve here. 100 minus 60 is 40, 40 minus 30 is 10. So 10% population. This is one answer ready. But one more thing is given in the question, that the population of city is given you 50 lakhs. Now you have to find individual, that how much percentages are given. Now you have to find out that actual exact number of people who like cricket, who like football and who like other games. So you can write here cricket, how much? 60%. 60% of whom? 50 lakhs. I can write 60 upon 100 into 50 lakhs. 50 lakh means 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Simple. Now I can write 0, 0 cancel, 0, 0 cancel. Now how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. Now 5 6 are 30. So these many people like cricket. Now next is our football. Football are 30% of 50 lakhs. So I can write 30 upon 100 into 50 lakhs. Again same, 2 zeros cancel. 1, 2, 3, 5 zeros. 5 3 is 15. These many people. Now I am continuing here. Okay, because other games. Now I can write other games. 10% of 50 lakh, that is equal to 10 upon 100 into 50 lakh. 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel, 1 2 3 4 5 0. 5 1 is 5. So these many people. Simple, very easy. Just I explained how to calculate percentage, inverse application. 60% of means multiplication, 60% of 50 lakh. Simple. Now you know this fraction, division, multiplication, all that. That's why 1 2 3, if you add up all these 1 2 and 3 answers, it will be 50 lakh. So this, please note down and count until 5. 5 4 3 2 1. Friends, now this is the last. Okay, but exercise is over. Now we'll be doing the try this question. Try this. Okay, so question is saying that 20% of total surveyed parents taught their children more than 1.5 hours per day. 30% between 1.5 hour to 1.5 hour per day, and 50% did not help at all. Okay, So what is this? It is just information. Now you can see here sum of the percentages is 100. That means this much of only data. And one more thing is given in this case, which was this one, that there are 90 parents who do such type of. So what and all you have to think? First you have to find out the total number of surveyed parents. How to find? Suppose let total surveyed parents be X. Now you can see 30% of whom it is. Can you please tell me? These 30%, 50%, 20% they are with respect to whom? The total number of parents, those who are surveyed. So I can write 30% of X is equal to 90, because in this case only, here it is just given 20%, here it is just given 50%. But in this case it is given 30% and how many? 90. That's why I am choosing this. So 30% of means multiplication X is equal to 90. I can write 0 0 cancel. So 3x upon 10 is equal to 90. This implies X is equal to 90 into 3, simple cross multiplication. Now 3 1s are 3, 30, 300. First part answer, because first part is asking you how many parents, those who are total surveyed. Very easy. I am rubbing this off. Then we will proceed into second part. Second part is what? Which is saying you have to find out the number of parents, exact number of parents who help their children more than 1.5 hour day. More than 1.5 hour per day. So for that case, you know, second part for that I am writing second. Okay, don't write here. Simply write here. First part solution. Now second part solution. Second part solution. What it is? How many? It is given 20% of the total surveyed parents of X. You have to find out. Now you can see 20% X. Now you know, which is 300. 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel, 3 to the 6, 60. So how many parents were there? 60 parents. Now third part, those who did not help at all. Did not help. So what was it? It was 50% of X. So I can write 50 upon 100 into X is now 300. X will be same only in the whole question. So now I can write 150. Simple, very easy. So how many parents were there? 150 parents. So please note down, I am counting till 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So friends, this was for today's video. Hope you like this video. Then please like it, share this with your friends, subscribe my channel for Raj Maths Junction. If you are subscribed, then thank you. If not, then subscribe. Also press the bell icon and do comment me in the comment box about what do you feel about this video and all the exercise, whether it helped you to solve your problems or not. So this was for today's video. Goodbye and thank you for watching.